Hello everyone, welcome back to Progress in English. In today's video, we are going to take an antonym quiz. Let's begin. Question 1. What is the antonym of admire? The correct option is D. Scorn. Question 2. What is the antonym of allow? The correct option is C. Prevent. Question 3. What is the antonym of assent? The correct option is A. Dissent. Question 4. What is the antonym of attract? The correct option is B. Repel. Question 5. What is the antonym of beauty? The correct option is D. Ugliness. Question 6. What is the antonym of begin? The correct option is C. End. Question 7. What is the antonym of boldness? The correct option is A. Timidity. Question 8. What is the antonym of calm? The correct option is B. Stormy. Question 9. What is the antonym of capable? The correct option is D. Incapable. Question 10. What is the antonym of cheerful? The correct option is C. Gloomy. Question 11. What is the antonym of combine? The correct option is A. Separate. Question 12. What is the antonym of comfort? The correct option is B. Discomfort. Question 13. What is the antonym of complex? The correct option is D. Basic. Question 14. What is the antonym of connect? The correct option is C. Disconnect. Question 15. What is the antonym of cruel? The correct option is A. Kind. Question 16. What is the antonym of danger? The correct option is B. Safety. Question 17. What is the antonym of deny? The correct option is D. Confirm. Question 18. What is the antonym of depth? The correct option is C. Height. Question 19. What is the antonym of discourage? The correct option is A. Encourage. Question 20. What is the antonym of early? The correct option is B. Late. Question 21. What is the antonym of entrance? The correct option is D. Exit. Question 22. What is the antonym of exact? The correct option is C. Approximate. Question 23. What is the antonym of exterior? The correct option is A. Interior. Question 24. What is the antonym of fame? The correct option is B. Obscurity. Question 25. What is the antonym of fiction? The correct option is B. Reality. That's it for today's video, and I hope that you learned something new. I'll see you next time. Bye.